Hello and welcome to this video where we'll be exploring a fantastic app called Tynker. This is one of the coding apps recommended by Apple in their Everyone Can Code series of ebooks available for teachers and students from the bookstore. Tynker is full of content from entry-level coding activities through to the ability to control physical systems such as drones and Lego models. In this video, we'll be focusing on this Space Cadet content, most suitable for Key Stage 1, and the Dragon Spells activities, designed to develop understanding and skills into Key Stage 2. Both of these are great fun and use creative play and problem solving to encourage computational thinking, that golden thread that runs through the computing curriculum. So let's take a look at Space Cadet. And I'm just going to tap on the Space Cadet icon, and this takes me into my activities. And if I just scroll along, you can see there are actually 8 different sections in this Space Cadet challenge. If I tap on number 1, crash landed, I get a little bit of background here. It tells me that I've crash landed on an alien planet and I need to sequence commands to follow the path and collect items. So straight away I'm using really rich language straight from that curriculum. Let's tap on number 1 and see what happens. So I'm going to choose a Space Cadet. I'm going to choose Buzz.
Space Cadet Buzz was on a routine mission to Titan base.
Get a nice little animation.
Luckily, a planet was nearby. Ouch! That was a close one. Can you help me get to a new spaceship?
So what I really like about this is that the challenges are being set me in a story format, and that's really engaging for young children. I'm going to tap to continue.
Can you get the ray gun?
So this starts really simply. There's a very low entry point. I need to give Buzz some commands to get his ray gun, and let's tap and see what happens.
To the next space on the path.
So I've got some context here, and I can see that I'm using these blocks of code. So if your children are familiar with things like Scratch or Scratch Junior, this will be absolutely perfect for them. And all I'm going to do is drag my walk command underneath my on start block and press play. And Buzz gets his ray gun. He's very happy. And I can move on from here. If I just go back to my activities, you can see that by the time I get to, say, level 6 on this,
Avoid the aliens and get the power cell.
that it's starting to get a little bit more advanced.
Use walk and jump to get the power cell and avoid the aliens.
So I've got 2 blocks that I can use, and I need to work out what sequence they need to go in order to get my power cell. Let's see if I can solve this particular problem. I'm going to walk, I'm going to jump, I'm going to walk again, and I'm going to jump. And let's see if that gets me the power cell. Oh no!
Use walk and jump to walk and jump over aliens.
Okay, so I didn't quite get that, so I can get another try. So let's see where I've gone wrong. I needed to walk, I needed to jump. It's the walk. So let's take that out. Let's see what happens now. Brilliant. So again, let's just go back here, and I can see that as I move on throughout this challenge, I stick with the same characters, and the challenges get slightly harder as I move through. Back in the main menu, and I'm just going to go quickly into Dragon Spells, and you can see it's pretty much the same format This time there's 10 activities, and I'm just going to have a quick look at number 3, Deja Vu. So in this activity, it wants me to use a loop. So I'm introducing more coding concepts as I go through these activities.
Repeat the code in the loop 3 times. This type of loop is a counting loop.
Okay, so it's given me some information. I want to repeat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times in order to get to the treasure. So I can see it's already got a repeat 5 in there. I'm going to put my walk command inside that repeat loop and play. If you look in the top left, you can see what's happening each time my dragon moves. And it's got to the treasure, and I can move on
Use a loop
to the
make
next
dragon
activity.
do a triple jump.
So that was just a quick look at Space Cadet and Dragon spells for Key Stage 1 and Key Stage 2 inside this fantastic app, Tynker.